Good morning, you guys. I figured that I would do a kind of get ready with me since I haven't really done one in a while. So I'm gonna be like, I just took a shower, so I'm gonna be like washing my face and all that stuff. What I wanted to do is share with you guys my day the last 2 days. It is really difficult sometimes for me to record when I'm out and I'm working and I'm doing what I'm doing, because it is a lot. It is a lot, and the only way that I would be able to capture exactly what was going on is if somebody had a camera following me around to actually see everything, and then I can do a voiceover. I don't have that luxury, you guys know that, so all I can do is put in the little small cutesy little things. But this week has been so crazy, and I do mean so crazy, because I'm trying to get everybody's everything together, situated, ordered, finalized, so that way at least like once I'm situated I can put focus on my place. But I'm gonna go ahead and wash my face, and again I'm using Curology. I'm using the Clean Bee Honey Facial Cleanser and also the Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow, and then of course my Curology is in the room. I have a mirror in there, so when I'm doing my makeup I'll apply it on my face where I need it, and then I'll put on my makeup and things like that. So starting off, what I'm doing is clamping down my robe, and I also clamp my hair up, that way it wouldn't be in the way of me washing my face. And then I am going to wet my face, that way I can start applying the soap. If you guys don't know, I am using the Pharmacy. I shared that in a previous video. If you're interested, I will link it down below, that way you guys can see that. I actually made a little bit of a mistake last night. I washed my face, but not as intensely as I am now, and I did leave a little bit of makeup on my face, which is why you're seeing that the soap really isn't lathering up the way it's supposed to. I'm going to be washing my face for about 50 seconds, and then I'm going to rinse my face. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to then reapply the soap back on. That way I can do another 30 seconds of washing with clean soap. If you guys have not tried LA Beauty's system of 60 seconds, you should definitely try it. Even if it's just the face washing part, you should do it, because I actually really like it. My face ends up feeling really silky smooth once I'm done, and I just love the feeling. Right now what you're seeing is that second wash, and as you can see, the soap is just really lathering up really nice, and it feels really clean too. So 1, don't sleep with makeup on. 2, implement the 60-second rule. I really have been enjoying that process a lot. So now that I'm done with all the washing, I'm going to be rinsing my face, and once I'm done with that, I am moving on to brushing my teeth, and for that I am using the Arm & Hammer Advanced Whitening Toothpaste. And now that I am done with that, I'm just going to go ahead and start prepping myself. If you guys are wondering, I wake up anywhere from an hour and a half to 2 hours before I have to leave, just to give myself, my mind, and my body an opportunity to wake up. And then I start my morning routine. Every morning it's very different. If you guys haven't tried it, try it and let me know how it's working out for you. But I'm going to go ahead and get myself ready so I can be out the house. Let's go. Alright, you guys, I am currently inside of Global Views. I love this store. This is like my store. If I could buy everything in here, I would, just because there's so many different styles, from modern, traditional, contemporary, and you guys know how much I love sculptures, and they're all over the store. So what I'm gonna do is go around and share with you guys what's in the store. I know you guys are gonna ask what I'm wearing, so let me just do a quick little outfit of the day, okay? So my hair, I'm looking at the thing, is from Eden's Crown. My shirt, which is a dress that I just didn't button all the way down, from H&M. My pants are from Saks. I borrowed from my mom, but she don't know though. And then my shoes, they are Valentino knockoff. They are Mark Fisher. And you guys already know Tammy Taylor for my nails. But that's pretty much my attire for today. Okay, so let's get to shopping. Oh my goodness, you guys. I can take you on a journey. Y'all, this is so gorgeous. I love this. This is like my favorite store. Look at all the sculptures. I think I want these guys here. Look at that. Oh, I love this so much. So much. You guys know I love sculptures, right? Look at this one here. She looks so good. Love that. I even love the vase behind there. Look at these guys here. I'm really quiet, y'all, because I love everything in this store. It's my favorite store to come inside of. Look at this. Look at that. That is gorgeous. Let me zoom out a little bit so you guys can actually see everything. So I just zoomed out. Now you guys can see everything. Ooh, these are pretty. Pretty. Everything's pretty. Look at the vase. Ah, it just looks so good. You guys. Look at that. Just want you guys to see. So I think I have found my pendant for over the dining. I know it looks pretty small, but it's not. It's actually really good. Let me step back and see if I can show you guys the size real quick. You guys, here's my hand, so you can at least see the size comparison. I love it. It's so pretty. Did you see that? I like this one here too, but I just think it's way too big. My island is 75 inches long though. But I think this is a good size, a trustworthy size. This one here, I don't want to go in the kitchen and it's just massive, but this is like very doable. I know a few of you guys tend to be very visual, so what I did is I put in a picture that I took previously of the kitchen, and then I also inserted the new pendant. You really can't see the tones of the gold and also the marble piece on top of the light. Nevertheless, it is absolutely gorgeous. You've seen it in the video, so I'm really excited. The light fixtures are probably going to be changed out fairly quickly in the house because I already have lights for most of the areas. No ma'am. No ma'am, I'm not. I'm not. You guys, I just made it back home and my mom had this on the counter. She surprised me with some all clad.
that? Oh my gosh, we were looking at this online, and I was like, you know what, don't worry about it, I don't want anything. She's like, are you sure? I'm like, yeah, I'm sure. And she was like, I'm gonna get you something. And I was like, mine's fine. And we left the conversation just like that. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. And they are the copper, I believe they're called like copper core or something like that, if I'm not mistaken. I think these are part of All Clad's premium collection. I think they're under the Expert. Anyway, I have a haul coming so I can share everything. There's a few, there's some other stuff there on the island, but I'm excited. I'm gonna do a haul sharing these things with you guys.